S.N. Narayanan, Group CFO, Sun Group, joins us on the phone line from Chennai to talk about their results. Mr. Narayanan, thanks very much for speaking with us. Now, you reported IPO losses at 43 crores this quarter. Did that lead to the pressure on the earnings front, and how do you plan to turn things around on the IPL front?
I think IPL 2014 was an aberration of sorts because the elections took the tournament out of India into UAE, and that added cost. And we also had one team less, which means the kitty that was available for distribution got impacted. And finally, last but not the least, because of the controversies that preceded our efforts to sell the properties for 2014, the sponsorship amounts were less than what we had anticipated. So it's a combination of several factors that impacted the IPL operations. But I see this as a one-time aberration because in a couple of years, this thing will become a lot more profitable because the annual fee of 85 crores will go away and we'll just play a flat revenue share of 20%. So we are not very worried about the IPL.
Will be your estimated loss on a consolidated basis only because of the IPL franchise?
Yes, we've had almost 20 crores in excess on the team cost because, as you know, the debut season we finished off at number 4, and we thought we will invest more in the team and move the positioning up in the current year's playoffs. But as luck would have it, despite having a star-studded team, we finished with number 6. So that also resulted in the earnings getting impacted because the previous year, because of qualifying for the playoffs, we made almost $1 million more. So that revenue was also less this year.
So in the coming quarters, we would see that bit of adjustment being made on account of the losses that came in for this quarter?
Yeah, this is an exceptional number because all revenues and all costs of operations are recognized in Q. And we also charge off the entire franchise fee as an expense. We don't amortize it over the useful period of the franchise as some other operators do because it's a more conservative and more prudent accounting treatment. And we do it that way.
So let's talk about your core business. Your core business is not cricket team but media. Last time when we interacted with you, you said the media business, at least the ones which you run, the properties which you own, there was stress. Advertising revenue was not picking up and digitization had not moved up as per your own internal expectations. What's the update on digitization and ad revenue?
See, digitization, with the exception of the state of Tamil Nadu, has progressed well. If you look at our subscription revenues for cable, DTH and international licensing, they're all up high double-digit growth quarter on quarter. So that's shaping up well. Advertising is, I think this is the last quarter of tepid growth. I mean, we didn't even grow this quarter. It was a flat number. But beginning this quarter, we anticipate a growth because, as you recall, last year, beginning September is the time when we started reducing the number of minutes for sale. So it's going to be a beneficial base effect starting September. So we're confident that the advertising numbers will grow. What that number would be is too early to predict. Certainly I can say that business confidence is back. A lot more spending is happening. A lot more product launches are happening. So we are looking forward to better advertisement numbers. And as I said, the digitization revenues are doing fabulously well. And with phase 3 and phase 4 on the annual, I believe the date will not be 1st October. It will get pushed out.